everybody, it's Lori here. I'm going to be using the wrapper down here so you can see it. Convexo canvas. It's an oval shape and it is from Fredricks and it looks like this. It's very nice. These are great canvases. And look at all the staples in the back of that. It's nice, very tight, very nice canvas. I'm looking forward to painting on that. I've done one of these before, but it was a round one. So we're all gonna use red, orange, yellow, turquoise, white, and gold. Thanks for joining me. I appreciate you as always. So the first thing I'm putting down is my house paint. I've mixed it up with my GAC 800. I use GAC 800 just to help me with, it helps to prevent cracking and crazing, things like that in the house paint. Sometimes these house paints can be a little bit on the thick side. Actually a new house paint for me. I've not used this one. I don't know if this was the best time to pick to use a new base paint, but you know, it's all good. I ran out of the other one that I was using, so I had to find me a new one because they didn't have it in stock when I went to get it. I think this will be fine, and we shall see. Hey, and if this does not come out well, we'll just blame the paint, right? Sounds good to me. Alright, this is the Poppy Red DecoArt, one of the DecoArt primary elements. I've not used this color very much actually, this Poppy Red color. It's pretty. If you need any assistance with a good recipe for the bloom, I do have that done for you in a video. It's in my video number 18. I'll show you how I make my pouring medium. Very simple. And I'll also show you in video number 19 how to mix that pouring medium with your paints and your primary elements from DecoArt. I'll show you how to do both. So if you are interested, you can go watch video 18 and 19. Please remember to like the videos and subscribe here if you have not already. I much appreciate that. I am trying to grow my YouTube channel, I'll be honest with you, and it does help whenever you hit the like button or subscribe to a channel. And also, please make a comment down below. I'd appreciate that too, because that also helps. Because YouTube loves the likes and the comments and the love, and so do I. But it actually helps my channel with the YouTube algorithms, so that is that. You know how that goes. So thank you very much. I just stirred these up a little bit too. They were getting thick on me because I had made these paints the other day and they've been sitting. Taking a toothpick to just pop them bubbles. The color I just put down, I think I forgot to mention, was Liquitex Basics. That was Cadmium Red Medium Hue. The next one is going to be Primary Yellow. This is Liquitex Basics as well. Is this is Turquoise by Artist's Loft. So Artist Loft Turquoise. I don't want too much blue in that, I don't think. Think that's enough blue? What do you think? I'm gonna tilt this a little bit. It's not in the center anymore. There we go, that'll be better. I'm gonna add some orange now. This is Artist Loft Orange. This is 24 karat gold, DecoArt. This is the Extreme Sheen 24 karat gold. Alrighty, and I'm gonna put some more bubbles. I think this is actually gonna come out pretty amazing once I get rid of these bubbles. 3 parts Australian Floetrol to 1 part Amsterdam titanium white. And that's my cell activator. So in my other videos, I have other cell activators that don't involve Australian Floetrol. I use US Floetrol. So you can check those out. So what I'm gonna do, I feel like I need a little more paint around here just to make sure this all runs nice and smooth and spins off the edge like I'm hoping. Now originally I was thinking I would do maybe just like one of my flowers on here. I was gonna do that, but then I was like, I kind of want to spin the whole thing off and see what it looks like. This canvas is pretty cool. Okay, I'm gonna actually tip this a tad this way. Now I'm going to put down my cell activator and blow it out. Pardon my head while I do that. Geez, I feel like I should have put down more paint. Wow, that's interesting. Wow, the cells are amazing though in the center there, holy crow. They also have more red than I expected. You never know what you're gonna get with these, it's really kind of fun. So I have a little bit of green. I got that from the yellow and the blue combining, so that made the green for me. So all the paint looks like it has come back to the center here for me already. Let me see if I can zoom in for you a little bit. I'll give you a better close-up here. So these cells are pretty amazing. The lacing. Now, if you did not know, the top color that you put down, or the last color that you put down, so in my case here, I did put gold down before my cell activator. That was the last color I laid down before the cell activator. And what happens is your cell activator will take that color on. So I used gold, so I have gold lacing. So that's how that happens. So for example, if I had put the blue last, I'd have blue lacing and things like that going on. All right, I'm gonna give this a spin. Let's see. I don't know where it is. Well, never mind. I was going to show you something, but I cannot locate it. I don't know where I did. I rearranged my studio the other day, and it seems like I'm having trouble finding things because I forget where I put it. Everything's all nice and neat and organized, and it's looking great in here, but I'm forgetting what I did with half the stuff. Okay. Wow, is that Christmassy or what? Wow. Wow, wow. I'm actually very pleasantly surprised, I gotta say. I'm gonna pop a couple bubbles I have here. All the gold shimmer throughout this is amazing. Wow, this is really pretty. I could do this over and over again with these colors and you get something different every time. Let's see if I can tilt this a little bit. I'm picking up my entire spinner because my paint is all over the place. I have a silicone mat on my spinner, and then I have my painting on that. It's not really moving. So there is some orange here on the side. I think it looks kind of funky mixed with the green, so I'm gonna actually take some white and fix this area here. I'm just using my finger to just put some white on the side here. I'm not sure you can see the sides very well from that angle. Well, that's better. A little bit of orange running through here, but that looks pretty. Wow. This is very, very different than I expected. Now, this looks like something that I should embellish. Maybe. You know, really, it's too bad you can't see these like in real person. I mean, if you paint, you understand what I mean, because you got that gold shimmer and that poppy red. All that iridescence is just amazing. So let me see. I'm gonna think about what I want to do with this, but honestly, I think I'm done with this, and I'm gonna leave it like this. Let me give you a close-up. contemplating doing a little bit more to it, but I almost think I should just leave it alone. You know, sometimes you gotta learn when to quit, because if you keep fussing with it, and then you're like wishing you left it the way it was. So sometimes that happens, and I think I'm better off leaving it as is. I'm gonna take my phone down here. I'm gonna get you guys a close up from a different angle. Okay, everyone, here we go. I'm gonna give you a different angle here and see if you can pick up some of this iridescence in this painting. Maybe this will help. See how it has these convex sides to the canvas? It's a lot different. If you haven't tried one of these, you might want to try it. They're pretty cool. I do like it, I gotta say. I think I like this oval shape as opposed to the round one that I did previously. I do have a video with that, but I don't remember what number it was. If I can look it up, and I'll let you know. Zoom in here. See all that beautiful gold lacing that I got going on. Okay, so that is that. I thank you so much for watching my video. Please do remember to hit that like button and leave me some comments and let me know what you think. I very much enjoy hearing from you. I love interacting with you and connecting with you. So until the next video, enjoy your wonderful day, and I will see you again soon. Okay, bye for now. Thank you.